everyone, my name is Jamila and here's English with JeJe. Welcome to my class. How are you today? Is everything alright? Oh, it's a nice day. Oh, class, do you think it's gonna rain tonight? We don't know. Maybe. I miss the cold weather. I wish it could rain. Okay, do you have any questions from last sessions? No? Everything's great? I'm so happy to hear so. Now, tell me, what do you want to do after the class? Do you want to go to a cafe? Oh, good for you. I wish I could come with you, but I have a class. What are you gonna order? Are you going to order a latte? Oh, I wish I had a latte right now. Alright, class. As you got, today we're going to talk about some short forms. Like wanna, gonna, gotta. What else? Can you give me some examples? Don't know. Excellent. I don't know. Good job. Now, can you give me examples using the form wanna? For example, oh, I want to call my mom. I really miss her. What else can you say? We want to hang out. Good job. Excellent. What other short forms can you use? Like, for example, gotta. Excellent. Gotta. Can you give me an example using gotta? Yeah, gotta go. Very good. It's so late. When we say, I want to call my mom, it means that I want to call my mom. How about the full form of gotta? Get, got to. Good job. Got to. For example, I gotta go means I've got to go or I have to go, right? I gotta go. Excellent. Good job. Now, class, I want you to listen to this conversation and try to figure out the short forms. Write them down. After that, we'll check together.
Number 1. What you doing tonight?
Number 2. I'm going to meet a friend.
Number 3. Okay then. Give me a call next week.
Number 4. Sure. Let me know if you want to have a drink.
Thank you very much, class. Your time is up. Now, I want you to become groups of 2 and talk together about the short forms you could figure out. You have got 2 minutes. Alright, tell me, what could you find? Very good. Whatcha? What you doing tonight? Excellent. What else? Yeah. Gimme. Very good. Give me some food. I'm so hungry. Good job. Yeah. What else? Lemme. Excellent. Let me check my schedule. I'll get back to you soon. Good job. Thank you very much, class. Now I want you to click on the link I shared with you and go to the 6-question quiz. Next session, we'll check the answers. Alright?
Number 1. What you doing tonight? What you doing tonight?
Number 2. I'm going to meet a friend. I'm going to meet a friend.
Number 3. Okay then. Give me a call next week. Okay then. Give me a call next week.
Number 4. Sure. Let me know if you want to have a drink. Sure. Let me know if you want to have a drink.
Number 5. Yeah, that sounds great. Where shall we go? Yeah, that sounds great. Where shall we go?
Number 6. I don't know. Let me think about it. I don't know. Let me think about it.
Alright, class. For the fun part, I want you to listen to this tongue twister and try to say it as fast as you can. Ready? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Let's listen and practice.
Well, hello there.
Hello, hello.
Hey, I've got a question for you. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
A woodchuck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Well, that makes sense.
It certainly does.
You know, I've got a friend who's a woodchuck. His name's Chuck.
That's a good name for a woodchuck.
And also for the assignment, I want you to make a PowerPoint and write a story of your own using the short forms we had this session. Thank you very much for learning English with JeJe. Have a nice time.